Vi tittar på manuskriptet. Vi.
Means we, pronounced.
Vi.
It's the first person plural pronoun, referring to the speaker and one or more other people. It's invariable, meaning it doesn't change based on gender.
Tittar.
Means a looking, or look. Pronounced.
Tittar.
It's the present tense form of the verb.
Titta.
Meaning, to look, or to watch. The
Ar.
ending indicates the present tense and plural subject.
På.
Means on, or at. Pronounced.
På.
It's a preposition indicating location or direction. It shows where the looking is directed.
Manuskriptet.
Means the manuscript. Pronounced.
Mah-noo-skript-et.
It's the definite form, meaning the, of the noun, manuscript, manuscript. The
Et.
ending marks it as singular and neuter gender. Putting it together.
Vi tittar på manuskriptet.
Means, we are looking at the manuscript. Or, we're looking at the script. It's a simple and straightforward statement describing an action.